तो ये सारी जिम्मेदारी मेरी है। Accept the responsibility. Accept the responsibility. That's the attitude. Responsibility accept करना है. If things are not moving as per my liking, this is my responsibility. Then step 2, take control. Ownership, you, mission, discipline, value, all these things is coming from inside out. These are the things coming from inside out. How to change your thinking? Logical thinking. Logical thinking is just going to give you all what you really require in a industrial atmosphere. This is logical thinking. A particular situation gives you the opportunity to think logically. Logically thinking means not only that one, that you have a history of the thing. You have a history of the thing. That it was done few years back. It was being done like this. Today the situation has changed. Technologically we have advanced. So today this may be the different perspective altogether. लॉजिकल थिंकिंग में टेक्नोलॉजिकल इनोवेशन का हाथ है। अब ये कि हम उसी के साथ पूरे जुड़े रह जाएं, नहीं जैसा हो रहा था हम वही करेंगे, वही एक आंसर है, वो वहां ऑब्जर्व योर थिंकिंग, गिव योरसेल्फ ए टाइम, थोड़ा अपने को समय दीजिए, सोचने का समय दीजिए। मतलब कोई जरूरी नहीं है इमीडिएट रिस्पांस दिया जाए, इमीडिएट रिस्पांस करना बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं। थोड़ा अपने को समय दीजिए और उस थोड़े समय को लेते हुए अब उसके बाद थोड़ा थिंकिंग पैटर्न पर ध्यान दीजिए, कैसे सोच रहे हैं हम, क्या है हमारे पीछे, इसके पीछे लॉजिक्स क्या है। व्हाट कैन आई डू टू डिफ्यूज दिस सिचुएशन? आई रिफ्यूज टू लेट दिस हुक मी। मैं इसे नहीं मान रहा। दिस इज ऑल वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. This is all very interesting. When we start observing the situation by coming outside the happenings, जो घटनाएं घटित हो रही हैं उससे बाहर होकर के ऑब्जर्वर की मुद्रा में जैसे ही हम आते हैं, we start enjoying that. आप इसको करके देखो। एक conflicting situation आ रहा है हमारे सामने, conflicting situation है, you have another opinion, I have another opinion, different people are having different opinion. आप एक बार उसको इम्प्रेसाइज कर रहे हो कि माई ओपिनियन शुड प्रिवेल, स्टॉप, जस्ट बाहर आओ, अपने आप को उस पूरे घटनाक्रम से बाहर निकालो, ऑब्जर्व करो कैसे सिचुएशंस बदल रही हैं, एंड देन यू विल फील रियली इट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग हाउ ही इज फीलिंग लाइक दैट एंड हाउ ही इज फीलिंग दैट, व्हाट इज द थियरी बिहाइंड दैट, क्या क्या हो रहा है इसमें, क्या इसके पीछे क्या रीजंस हैं। You will start enjoying that. Tomorrow it will look different, very different. Then tomorrow will come and it will be really different. I would like to beat them. It is tough to be him. Manage your self-talk. If you think you can or you think you cannot, you are right in both cases. Henry Ford. In both cases, this is right. If you can, if you think you can, you are right. If you think you cannot, you are right. Because you are observing your thinking. You have the reason for that. You have the logic for that. And here our CMD says, no, if your mind can conceive it and your heart can believe it, you can certainly achieve it. This is his slogan. So it is coming from him only. He says that कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, if your mind can conceive the situation, yes, I know that I will be able to diffuse the situation. This is the conflicting situation, so I am here to observe this one. So I am simply observing and I will diffuse it. If you think like that, and then the love is there in your heart. Love is also necessary, if you are just trying to impress upon your subordinates or your friends. So love should be there. When you are coming with love and logic, then certainly it is going to diffuse the situation. This is going to be a wonderful day. So I am coming and I am feeling, I am just thinking that it is going to be a very wonderful day. This is going to be a tricky race. Behavior changes the true assessment, determination and discipline, how to change your behavior, and this behavior is like this. Choose your behavior, reactive and responsible. So your behavior must be responsible. Your behavior must be stimulus response. Stimulus and my choice. And my choice is my response. Behavior, it is unconscious incompetence. See, this is really interesting. Your behavior, unconscious incompetence. You are not knowing the subject well, and you are unconscious about that you are really not knowing the subject. You are not knowing this thing that you are not knowing. So this is unconscious incompetence. This is conscious incompetence. You know that you do not know. Conscious competence. You know that you know. And then comes unconscious competence, because the whole thing is you have attuned your mind in such a way that it has engrossed with your unconscious also, that I know the subject well. So it is just coming from there, that unconscious competence. So this is the new you, the new you. So influence your environment and positive behavior, replace the bad habits, spread a smile around, sprinkle some positive on the negative, focus on the good of each day. Each day is something happening very good for you. So focus on that. That is going to give you positive thinking. Stay out of the feeding frenzy. Say please and thank you. You try to say please and thank you. Practice empathy. One thing is called sympathy and another one is called empathy. So you must have love that I was talking about. You should have that karuna towards the humanity. Evaluate your behavior. Never miss an opportunity to complain. Sir, you are really looking smart, and the fellow is still smart. You are coming in your office and somebody is just saluting you, and you are telling him that you are really looking smart today, and the fellow feels smart inside. So make a habit of appreciating your people around. Before you say anything to anybody, ask yourself, hey, is it true? Is it really harmful? Is it really necessary? When you are just bringing yourself in certain degree of argument to anybody, you ask these three things. Is it really true? The way you are just trying to argue with the situation, is it true? Is it really harmful? And is it really necessary? Keep promises. वादा तोड़ो नहीं यार. वादा करो तो वादा निभाओ. वादा करने के पहले सोचो. अगर वादा कर लिए तो उसे तोड़ो नहीं. Have a forgiving view of people. माफ करने की आदत डालो. Keep an open mind with changes. जो चेंजेस आपके चारों तरफ घटित हो रही हैं, उन पर एक खुला दृष्टिकोण रखें. Count 1,000 if necessary. Count 1,000 if necessary. You are really sometimes you are feeling anger inside. No, anger is just going to kill you. That type of anger. So you start counting that 1,000. So it gives you a breathing space and time. जो breathing space and time जो दे रहा है, वो that will make you really happy. Seek criticism as a opportunity to improve, cultivate your sense of humor. थोड़ा हंसने हंसाने की आदत डालो भाई. काफी देर से हम लोग बहुत ही कितना विद्वत्तापूर्ण बातें सुन रहे हैं हम लोग, और ढेर सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो इसमें हमने सीखी हैं. इसके साथ ह्यूमर का होना बहुत जरूरी है. मतलब लाइफ शुड नॉट बी टेकन दैट सीरियसली. आई मीन इट शुड बी टेकन सिंसियरली बट नॉट सीरियस दैट सीरियसली. एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं और एक्सीडेंट होने के कोई बहुत सारे कारण नहीं बताए जा सकते हैं। एक्सीडेंट को बचाने का तरीका यही है कि हम अवेयरनेस बढ़ाएं और उन चीजों के प्रति और उत्तरदायी बनाएं चीजों को, जो शॉर्टकट्स हैं, जो शॉर्टकट रेगुलरली अपन अपनाते चले जाते हैं। शॉर्टकट को जैसा अभी बता रहे थे सारे लोग, ये इन बातों पर इंफेसिस दे रहे थे। शॉर्टकट को कैसे न कैसे जहां तक संभव हो, जो सिस्टम्स हैं, आई एम गेटिंग इट, आई वांट जस्ट स्पीकिंग लाइक दैट। So you are just saying your word. So cultivate your sense of humor. Remember to watch your definitions. They become thought. Your definitions become thought. Your thought becomes word, and your word becomes actions. Watch your actions, they become your destiny. Please, I really request you to just go through this one, so because it has been just taken from somewhere. Watch your definitions, they become thought. Definitions when you are just defining what is stress. I was just trying to define you what is stress. And I was just telling you, receiving the information from outer world, and I have a certain mind. So all the information are coming to, and the mind's response. So in between that is stress develops. Sometimes happy, sometimes unhappy. So this type of things are happening. The choice is yours. With a bad attitude, you can never have a positive day. With a positive attitude, you can never have a bad day.
Good. बहुत अच्छी बात है, बहुत बढ़िया।
Positive feeling. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening to शो पे समझने की अपनी एक हैबिट जरूर बनाए हम, और सिंसियरिटी जरूर रखें। सीरियस होने की जरूरत नहीं है, थोड़ा सा हंसने की जरूरत है, थोड़ा हंसना जरूरी है। और मेरा ख्याल है खूब हंसते हुए से हम लोग का लंच की व्यवस्था हो रही है, वो मेरी
क्योंकि जितना बढ़िया आपने लेक्चर दिया, जितना इन्होंने अपने साथ आपको बहा दिया, उसके हिसाब से तालियां थोड़ी कम है। तो